So how good is Mr. Beast Burger? We're in the Triangle area of North Carolina, and we're gonna go buy every Mr. Beast Burger in the area that we can find.
Get us a Beast Burger.
Okay, so we're a little bit early, and I think this one is a Red Robin. Yum.
Hello.
How you doing? Arturo Lorenzo?
I'm going to go get that.
Okay, but first, that's kind of cool. It's like a Red Robin. Yum.
I don't know. Looks like it says white.
Maybe just say yum, Mr. Beast. Yeah.
Beast Burger? Are you here for Beast Burger?
Or Red Robin.
Or Red Robin?
Red Robin.
Oh, okay.
Beast Burger.
It's Beast
Neither
Burger.
did I.
Yeah.
Apparently, they make them in all these.
Do you know what Beast Burger is? Mr. Beast?
Hey.
Good, how are you?
Mr. Beast Burger with beef style fries and a Diet Coke.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You
Have a
too.
good one.
Y'all have a good night.
Bye.
You too. So we got a Mr. Beast Burger. And not only that, they already know that people are coming to review them. So they must get this a lot.
So I really like how it's got the Chinese takeout bag. Very professional. So what happens? Do they just like shut it down?
No, I think they just have a separate kitchen in the back. Okay, so we're on our way to drop off a side of fries and a Beast Burger to our co-host of one of our podcasts, Alex Shimel. Let's see what he's got. So we have a Beast Burger and some Beast fries ready for Alex to really devour them. He's very lucky that I don't fucking eat this shit right now because I'm starving. Papa's hungry. He should be. Hey, man, sometime.
You know what they look like? They look like something from any other fast food place because they look kind of like toys.
There you
there
go,
he is.
baby.
There's the
We
man
have
with the
our-
plan.
I've never had a Mr.
Well,
Well, you
you
got-
know, let us know how it is, man.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
See you later, my dude.
Side of fries, side of fries. in there.
Side of fries, manly girly.
I haven't had a Mr. Beast Burger yet, but we're about to try one. So we're gonna try the Mr. Beast Burger, and we know these are ghost kitchens. The question is, are they all Red Robins?
Well, his friends had it and they said it was absolute fire.
Fire?
Slaps.
Well, let's try this Beast Burger. Let's go.
Beast Burger.
So we delivered our first Beast Burger. We're gonna see how this one.
Hello.
Beast Burger?
Yes.
Arturo Lorenzo?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I like that though. Look, the Statue of Liberty with the burger.
Oh my god.
I love that. I would have that.
The Beast Burger.
Hell yeah.
Do people come in, like, do you guys also advertise, or is it just online?
It's online.
Oh, okay.
So do you get a lot of people who come in here for Beast Burgers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay, awesome.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Good day.
Bye.
You too. Let's go check it out. We got the Beast Burgers. And now back to the Manly Girly Mobile. We got the Beast Burger. We got the Beast Fries.
They also got Beast Burgers. Those are the first ones we've seen
Ask
that
him,
have
ask him.
also.
You like it?
Did you get a Beast Burger? Have you had one before? Okay.
Yeah,
we were
let's
about
do
to
it.
have one as well, so we were
Enjoy.
just have a good one. Bye.
One thing that we're figuring out about Red Robin is they have some weird fucking places.
Some weird fucking places where they put some entrances. Why are they not on the street where you can see them? Oh, it looks very similar.
Oh, this one's exactly like the other one.
Exactly like the other one,
So
like
maybe
to
the
the
first
T.
one is the Rogue Child.
I liked the rogue. Do that. We should order one.
Pick up a Beast Burger order for our
Probably
Arturo
is.
Lorenzo.
That's not ready yet.
Okay, yeah,
Thank you. I'm with him.
yeah. That's not it?
No, it's not.
Because it says Arturo right there.
I didn't think you said Arturo.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Have a great day.
All right, so this lady tried to steal my fucking Beast
I
burger.
think she didn't like us.
She didn't like us. Fucking.
Why did she
Well,
like us,
Mr. Beast,
though?
you know, you need to work on this Red Robin.
Well,
Because it clearly, I didn't think you said Arturo. It's like, so if you didn't think I said Arturo, what the fuck did you think I said?
and why didn't you ask me to repeat myself? What customer service?
Exactly.
What excellent
What did you think
service.
my name is then?
You didn't want to talk to me because I look different.
Exactly, you know? She looked like that fucking lady from the nurse from Shallow House.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Because she's ugly on the inside.
Yes.
Who the fuck are you?
Who are you, bitch?
Who are ya?
Who are ya?
She didn't want to wait on us at all.